Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem in installing your Windows, and it says we couldn't find any drives. To get a storage driver, click load driver, and you also clicked on load driver, but still you can't find anything. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First, what you need is to go to Google Chrome and then type IRST driver for your compatible device. For my case, I'm using ASUS, so I'll just type ASUS IRST driver. Click on the first link which says IRST and select your operating system. For my case, I'm using Windows 11 to download it. Once you complete downloading, just right click on it and then extract it, and then open the folder and copy all the files. Once you do this, connect a USB drive to your PC and then paste your files in your USB drive, and make sure you do not remove your USB drive. After that, go back to your installation file where you installing Windows. Now just click on load driver and then click on browse and then select your USB drive which you copied your files in it. Click on it and then click on OK. Then you will see your drivers. If you do not see your drivers, make sure you uncheck this box, and then hopefully your drivers will be shown here. Just select the top one and then click on next, and then hopefully your problem solves. As you can see, all the drives are now appearing, and now as you can see, hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.